All right, today we're going to set up the Lian SL120 version 2 or RGB lighting. Now we're going to interlock this one because it comes with 3 are set. We're going to set one up as an exhaust to blow the air out, 2 more here, and we're going to set this up right now. So let's go ahead and put it together. They give you all the accessories necessary, including the USB connection. This is very mandatory because you do have a couple USBs that you need to set up in here, and we're going to set this up along with the other cables. They give you plenty of cables. They give you a module. This is like a hub for the if you get more fans, you include them in here. Connections go in here. If you guys can notice, we are plugging this one in here to a power supply, and then we are going to match it up on the top in here. If you ever want to lock another one in here, you can do that. So let's go ahead and put this whole thing together and see how it works. Options when you're setting up with the actual fans here. So you could do connection to the actual fan directly for the modules. If you guys can see that, this connects actually to the actual module, or if you're going to daisy chain them and add some more, you can do that. All right, here's the final sequence. We install Windows 11 on this RGB lighting, built in the actual GPU. We're going to correct that right now from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We're going to go ahead and change the lighting to match maybe the case, but we need to download the application here. We are going to install a couple things too, and I can feel the fan sucking the air out, sucking it in. So might have to change a couple things. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe